Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can access the Shape Dynamics settings by clicking the Brush Settings button in the Tool Options bar after you have selected the brush tool from the toolbox. Generally speaking, the term Shape Dynamics is used to refer to the settings that control the variance of brush marks within a brush stroke. Each of the controls can be adjusted by using the slider under the name or by typing a value into the box to the right. Fade creates the effect of a brush stroke dissipating to nothing. The higher you set the level, the slower the stroke fades. Hue jitter will vary the stroke between the foreground and background colors. The lower you set this value, the less frequent the variation. Scatter will do just that. Scatter your brush marks. The higher you set this value, the higher the number of brush marks and the farther apart the marks are. Spacing adjusts the amount of space between marks. The higher you set this value, the more spacing. Hardness changes the sharpness of the brush stroke and the edges. The higher you set this value, the harder the brush. You can create an oval or round brush and then change the roundness. If you set the roundness to 100%, you have a perfect circle. The lower the setting, the more oval the shape becomes. After you've created an oval or circular brush, you can change the angle of the brush by changing the value in the box next to angle, or by clicking on points and arrow in the diagram and dragging them to the desired location. Checking the Set This as a Default checkbox will apply the effects to all of the brushes you use, until you turn it off by unchecking this checkbox.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.